So today we have a shirt from Hardaddy, and this is a retro 50s bowling Cuban beach shirt, and really nice quality. This one is the brown. They make a whole bunch of different kinds, different patterns, but this is great for summer. Like I said, if you want to go on the beach or if you want to do some bowling, kind of look like it from the 50s. I like the kind of retro printing up here, kind of makes it pop. The front has brown, and this is the brown one, and the back is all black. So I want to put this on, kind of show you me wearing it, and we'll take a look at it. So here's the Hardaddy 50s retro shirt. Very nice quality, nice and breezy for the summer. Here's the front. It's got the nice little kind of retro emblems on it. And the back is all black. And the front again, really nice quality shirt. Hardaddy makes a lot of different colors, different patterns. And this is the brown one. I picked this one because it kind of looks cool. I like the very retro 50s color and the look to it. But this is great for any day. If you just want to do some bowling, go to the beach, or hang out, nice summer day, perfect shirt, nice and breezy, fantastic quality. Check out Hardaddy.